Hey, it's Ty Crandall with CreditSuite, and in this video, I just want to talk through the steps and what you need to know to get an initial business bank account kind of set up and going and why you should care. So look, it's essential that a business owner separate personal and business banking, okay? It's really needed if you're going to run any kind of successful business. And of course, one of the main financial instruments to do that or tools is a business bank account. Now, if you have a business bank account, there's a lot of things you get benefit-wise. It maintain accurate records, right? It help you prepare reports easily for the business, easy to make withdrawals, deposits for the business, make wire transfers, issue checks, a lot more. I mean, if you're going to run a business, having a business bank account is really one of the first actions you take when you're seriously ready to start accepting income. It also lessens headaches and liabilities because it basically is keeping your business revenue and expenses separate from personal. And that's a really big deal. Your accountant's going to love you for that because you need to separate these liabilities, and it's easy to do so when they're going through separate bank accounts. It also keeps you from accidentally commingling funds. It also gives you the benefit to accept credit cards, accept debit cards. If you're going to accept credit cards and debit cards, you need a place for that money to go. And all the statistics show that people are significantly more likely to buy if they have the ability to do so using credit cards. So again, the nice thing here is that a bank account allows you the ability to accept those and have those funds going into your actual bank account. So it makes it easy to accept more types of payments and get more sales. Now, a lot of benefits here, right? Business accounts have more lenient fees. So for example, fees can sometimes be waived with online banking. And the reason is they just make more money on these accounts. You know, businesses run a lot more money through the account than individuals do. So a lot of the banks are more lenient with their fees and other things just because they want you to use them for your banking. Your business banking relationship can also help you secure bank loans, right? By having relationships with your banker, then there's loans they can give you. There's a lot of services. So for example, if we had one time where the banks changed that handle our credit cards and we lost our merchant account. We went to our banker and within days we had a new merchant account set up through our bank. So again, there's so many benefits that they can help you with once that relationship's initially established. Now, how you handle your business bank accounts, information for a possible lender as well. So just by having money going through your business bank account, it opens up a lot of different funding options. How you manage that bank account will then give you the ability to get all different kind of financing. So for example, we have credit lines that you can get that don't even require credit checks that are just looking at how you manage your bank account. If you manage your bank account responsibly, you can get a really low interest rate credit line as a result. So setting up a business bank account is really one of the first things your business should do. Okay, this is actually the order. The very first thing you're going to want to do when you set up a business is set up the entity itself, such as an LLC or a corporation. The next thing you're going to do is get your free EIN number from the IRS. That comes directly from irs.gov. And the third thing you do is you take the corporation papers you got from setting up the entity. You take the EIN paperwork you got from setting up the EIN, and you go in and you set up the business bank account. I did an experiment once on these 3 steps, and in less than an hour, I was able to do all 3. And that includes the time to drive to my bank, sit with my banker, and actually set up the business bank account. So literally, if you have the business name picked out, you've done the research, you know that that's the name that you want, it's fairly easy and quick to go through this process. Like I said, in less than an hour, you can make it through all the steps. Now, you also should know that your bank account start date's an important day because for lenders, sometimes it defines the date that you started the business. Okay, so it's essential to set up a business bank account quickly because again, the length of time you've had that bank account helps you in a lot of different ways. If there's an ownership change on your business, let's say you bought the business from somebody else, you sell the business, if there's an ownership change, then ultimately what happens is credit issuers and lenders are nervous that you're buying these bogus shelf corporations. And so then they automatically revert to bank account start date to determine how long your business has been open. The other thing is you have a secret bank credit score that most people don't know about. It's called your bank rating. And this is how basically judges how much money you're able to get from the banking system. If you ever want to walk in your bank and get a loan or a credit card, for example, and how long you've had your bank account open is one of those factors into that bank rating. So another reason that you want to make sure that you set up that bank account as early as possible. So if you'd like to talk with us more, give us a ring, 877-600-2487, or send us an email, info@creditsuite.com. Here at CreditSuite, we help you get money for your business by improving your fundability, by basically making you more lendable, by helping you build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. That's credit you can get without a guarantee or a credit check. And we also help you with all different aspects of loans and credit lines. We basically help you get the money you need to fund your business. Okay, you feel free to check out our website, CreditSuite.com. At the top right, you can follow us on social media. We've got hundreds of videos on YouTube. We go live on Facebook and answer questions in real time. We release multiple podcasts so you can listen on the go. And again, let us know what we can do to help, because we are here to help you get money to grow your business. So visit CreditSuite.com to learn more and let us know what we can do to help you get the money that you need to grow your successful company.